Fly.
Spit fireballs, Hadouken. Get your uppercut, sure you can. Ask a nuke and get it all you can. Get covered red, all you can. Unload, reload. Your safest bet's just to run when that pop. Heart's gonna stop. You done fucked up like you.
So guys, I'm back on YouTube and I'm going to Mo's Nation House. Oh yeah, and this is not gonna be like that other vlog we did. It's gonna be way better than that. I'm gonna try to edit this way better than that other vlog. And my other video with the XXX challenge, I did horrible with the editing and stuff like that, bro. Yo, so we're going to deli right now.
Boring.
Alright, so right now we're going to Whole Foods. He's not happy today. He's not happy today. He's just nah. So we're at the store right now. I don't know what we're gonna do. So we gotta wait 30 minutes for the food. Alright, so we're going back. 30 minutes of waiting is too long, and we're pretty far away, so I think 30 minutes already passed. He said he's just started making the pizza.
Because the cheese delivery just came in.
Alright, so we're giving it another chance. There's a bird in the pizza, whatever this place is called. I don't know if you can see it.
How did that thing get Oh shit.
Flying? Hey, that pizza. Hey, look. Okay, look. I just made his thumbnail. He better pay me back, bro. He better give me credit. If he doesn't,
They will with the star.